Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have something super exciting, the brand new iPhone 16 Pro. I can't wait to unbox this for you and go over everything inside the box and, of course, the newest features. Let's dive right in. The packaging this year feels as premium as ever. Apple always knows how to make that first unboxing moment so satisfying. And here it is, the iPhone 16 Pro in desert titanium, looking so sleek with that stunning textured matte glass finish. Then we have the USB-C to USB-C charging cable. It also comes with a SIM ejector tool, which we will be using later on in this video. It also comes with paper inserts and nope, no stickers, just in case you're wondering, and no charging brick included. Now, let's talk about the iPhone 16 Pro itself. This year, the design is slightly refined with sleeker edges and a new titanium material for the back that gives it a satin like texture, making it more fingerprint resistant. Comparing it with my iPhone 13 Pro, the 16 Pro now is slightly taller but lighter. Both have the same width, but here you can also visibly see the fingerprints in 13 Pro. There's also a new action button feature that we will go through in a bit. Now, let's quickly set this up. The setup process is the same, and you'll be guided through all the new features right out of the box. One of the most exciting new additions to the iPhone 16 Pro is the Action button, a customizable button that replaces the traditional mute switch. It's a small change, but it opens up a world of possibilities. I'm setting this up to flashlight, but you can switch this accordingly to perform different actions based on your needs. Now, let's talk about camera because Apple has made some significant upgrades to this iPhone 16 Pro's camera system this year. This is a major focus area for the new model, and it's clear Apple is pushing boundaries in mobile photography. The iPhone 16 Pro now features a quad camera setup designed to cover every possible photographic need. The new camera feature also allows you to play with tone, aperture, exposure, and so much more. Now, here's where things get really interesting. The telephoto lens has a 5 times optical zoom, which is fantastic for portraits and getting closer without losing details. But the real showstopper is the new periscope lens, which allows for an impressive 10 times optical zoom and 25 times digital zoom. The redesigned control center features new groups of controls so you can quickly take actions on more features. The control center is more customizable than ever. Now, you can easily drag and drop controls to rearrange them, add new shortcuts, and even personalize the layouts to match your workflow. Let's inject the SIM from my old iPhone 13 Pro. To keep my iPhone screen protected, I picked up this tempered glass protector from Ugreen. Even though I've been an iPhone user for years, this is my first attempt at a DIY installation. So fingers crossed I get it right. What I love about Ugreen is that they provide everything you need in one package. You get an anti slip pad, an installation frame, a step by step instruction manual, and two sets of screen protectors with cleaning kits, all for just 227 pesos or about $5. Having the installation frame makes it super easy to align everything in perfectly. The package also includes two envelope kits with cleaning tools, so you can get a spotless, dust free screen before applying the protector. And just like that, a perfectly applied tempered glass screen. Easy and hassle free. Another great find from Ugreen is their clear case for the iPhone 16 Pro. I love how it keeps things so simple and classic while showing off the stunning desert titanium color of the iPhone. And the best part is just 299 or about $5. This case is ultra slim, yet it's designed to meet military grade drop test standards. Since it's my first time trying it, I can't vouch for durability just yet, but it definitely feels solid. While we're talking about phone cases, I also picked up Apple's clear case with MagSafe for the iPhone 16 Pro. This case is all about durability and style, and it's one of the cases that many users swear by. Crafted from high quality polycarbonate, this case includes an anti yellowing coating, which means it stays looking fresh even after extended use. Many have vouched for its long lasting clarity, making it a reliable choice if you want a case that ages well. Now, let's compare two clear cases for the iPhone 16 Pro. Both cases feature precise cutouts and raised edges to protect the phone, and they also have a nice grip. One key difference is in camera protection. Ugreen offers additional protection with individual raised edges around each camera lens, while Apple's case has a single cutout that leaves the entire camera section exposed. Apple's case shines with the new camera button on the iPhone 16 Pro. It has a responsive, interactive cover that makes taking photos easier. Another difference to consider, Apple's case is open at the bottom. For most situations, that's not an issue. But if you're heading to the beach or somewhere sandy, be aware that particles could get inside. Overall, both cases are excellent choices. But right now, I'm leaning towards the U Green case because it has that almost invisible no case look that I'm loving. Now let's move on to unboxing Apple's AirPods Pro 2, the latest update to Apple's iconic wireless earbuds. Apple has kept the classic AirPods Pro design but with some great new touches. The case now features a built in speaker for Find My Alerts and a handy lanyard loop. As with every Apple product, setup is a breeze. Just open the case near your iPhone and the connection screen appears instantly. A single tap and you're all set. The AirPods Pro 2 offer faster and more stable connections with effortless switching between Apple devices. They've also upgraded the controls. With touch sensitive stems, you can easily adjust the volume, skip tracks, and toggle between modes with just a swipe or a squeeze. For the case, I've been loving looking at flowers lately, so I got this case from Kate Spade to complete my aesthetic. Package also includes a USB-C to USB-C charging wire. And for the perfect fit, Apple now includes four sizes of silicone ear tips to fit a wide range of ears. The ear tips come in four sizes, such as extra small, small, medium, and large. I'm going to change mine into small size. There you go. It's very easy, no fuzz, and just easy. This ensures you get the most comfortable and secure fit possible. So now let's move on to unboxing the Moft Snap Phone Invisible Tripod, an innovative portable tripod solution that's perfect for content creators and travelers on the go. And for just 1,593 pesos or $49, you get a versatile tripod that you can take anywhere. What makes this tripod unique is its slim, foldable design. It's magnetically attachable so it easily snaps onto the back of your phone without adding any noticeable bulk. However, there's one thing to keep in mind. It's not compatible to all cases, like the one from U Green. Here you can see that the muff snap won't properly attach to it. That's why I switched over to Apple's clear case with MagSafe because it just works perfectly with the Moff Snap tripod. The Moff Snap tripod is fully adjustable, allowing you to switch between portrait and landscape modes effortlessly. It's perfect for taking photos, video calls, and even for watching videos hands free. It folds down to nearly nothing, making it easy to slip into your pocket or a bag. It's a tripod on the go that always ready when you need it. Now let's quickly circle back and talk about iPhone 16 Pro new features. With the iPhone 16 Pro and iOS 18 combined, Apple has created an experience that's all about you. More personalized, more powerful, and more seamless than ever before. Organizing your iPhone is now a breeze. You can now customize your home screen to make it more personal and convenient. Now you can move folders anywhere on the screen. Yes, even to the bottom, making it easier to access your most used apps right at your fingertips. Plus, there's now more control over your pages. Deactivate any page to keep your home screen organized, and don't worry, your apps are still accessible in the app library. Out of sight, but never out of reach. Now, here's more. Your wallpaper isn't just a background, it's a fully customizable experience. Let's start by adjusting the colors. Tap and hold your home screen, then select Customize Wallpaper. From here, you can choose from a wide range of colors, whether you prefer bright, vibrant colors or something more muted and elegant. Let's move to the fonts. Click on Fonts and Colors, and you'll see a variety of font styles to choose from. From classic to modern, just select the one that suits your vibe. You can even adjust the thickness to make text stand out or keep it subtle. Now let's add some personal touches to the functions themselves. You can customize how your key functions appear on the screen. Want your flashlight or camera button in a different color or in left or right? Simply tap on it and see how it looks like. Every detail is yours to design. Take a moment to play around and see how each choice makes your iPhone uniquely you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. Got questions or thoughts on today's unboxing? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, see you!